Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on the time you are seeing this video. I greet you. So guys, in this video, I'm preparing fish sauce. First, I chopped my onions, then I proceeded in adding it inside my pot. Pour in some fresh ginger, my pepper, some seasoning cubes, salt, curry powder, my kitchen glory, and last, water. So while that was steaming, I proceeded in chopping my fresh tomatoes. So after chopping my fresh tomatoes, I proceeded in adding my sunflower oil inside my pot, then pour in some chopped onions, that's my salt. So I gave that a quick stir before adding my fresh tomatoes. After adding it, make sure to stir it together, like to make sure that everything mixes properly. Then after some minutes, this is how it turned out, but you still have to keep on stirring it to avoid burning your pot. So while that was cooking, I proceeded in chopping my cabbage. Okay, this is the main ingredients in this recipe, because without this recipe is not complete. Okay, still have to stir my pot. Then I added the remaining kitchen glory from the previous seasoning and my curry powder. Okay, added my chicken bouillon, then I gave that a quick stir. Okay, as you can see, it's turning out nice. Then I have to add my deboned fish. Okay, you can use any fish of your choice, but this is the one that I use in this recipe because it's very soft and I like it. So just give that a quick stir and allow it to steam up for some minutes. Okay, so after some minutes, I opened my pot and still have to stir it. Make sure it's not getting burnt under. Okay, so I added my fish stock, then mix it together again. Then now is the time to add my cabbage. Okay, yeah. Please, if you're still watching to this extent, please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and also follow my page for more amazing videos. So after adding the cabbage, just have to give it a quick stir and allow it to steam for some minutes, but not too much, because you need the crunchiness that comes from the cabbage. So guys, our sauce is ready to be served. Okay, as you can see, it turned out well. The taste was out of this world. Oh my god, guys, you guys need to try this recipe. Okay, it's very nice and healthy as well.